going on, guys? Kirk here, back in the garage with my BMW S1000RR. Now if you see this lovely box beside me, you already know what time it is. Today we picked up some brand new goodies from our good friends over at Puig. It's a brand new set of brake ducts that I'm really excited to try out. It's not only going to make the bike look cooler, but also have a really cool functionality to it. Super excited, let's unbox it and get started. Alright, so here they are. As I mentioned, brand new brake ducts from Puig. Now, I'm especially excited for this because being an S1000 owner, you guys know we didn't get the lovely, beautiful carbon ducts that are on the second gen M1000RR. This one is fitted in ABS plastic and it's gonna look absolutely menacing when it's on the bike. Now, as you guys know, Puig makes some really good high quality products. We do have a few pieces from their catalog on the bike already, including the winglets and also our racer windscreen. Now these brake ducts are going to make the perfect addition to our current setup, not only because it looks cool, but it also has a functional purpose. Now, the way Puig designed these brake ducts is to do two main things. One, to channel air directly to your brakes, which is going to have a direct impact on your pads and also your rotors. Now, what this does is it reduces temps to a certain point while still keeping your brakes at an optimal operating temperature. Now, that means you won't experience unusual brake fade, and that way you can be able to be more confident while riding on the street or the track. Now, the second benefit, and this is going to be more apparent when it's actually mounted on the bike, is that this acts as a front air disc. Now, similar to setups that you'll see in MotoGP, what this does is it reduces drag and turbulence that go to the front wheel. Basically, it's going to result in you having a stable front wheel at higher speeds. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. The install is going to be pretty simple. It does come with all of the mounting hardware. In addition to instructions, this one should be pretty easy to knock out, so let's get started. Now, in addition to showing you guys the install of these lovely brake ducts, I do want to let you know that we are authorized dealers for Puig, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, motorgeargarage.com, for all your bike parts and BMW accessories. To go ahead and get started, Puig provided us with some lovely instructions. The install on this is pretty straightforward. You're going to have to remove a few of the stock bolts, including the lower fork pinch bolts. You're going to also have to take off your front fender, which is going to be removing these two bolts on each side, and also your front caliper bolts as well.
Ryan Little.
Okay, now we're we're gonna go ahead and mount one of the lower brackets. In order to do so, they did give us some new hardware, which is gonna be some new lower pinch bolts. But one thing I did want to point out, especially because this is gonna be bike specific, is that if you have a 19 to 22 S1000, you're gonna have to use these spacers, which are the shorter ones. And if you have a 23 to 24, you're gonna have to use the taller ones. So quick note, just to make sure you're not mixing it up, that's how you do it. Alright, so just a quick observation that we noticed when trying to do our test fit. We did notice, at least for our application, the shorter spacer didn't really work to line up the brackets to the ducts. So we're going to go ahead and use the longer one. Now again, this could probably vary from bike to bike. So it's good that at least you have two options so you can test fit and see which one works best for you. Alright guys, and just like that, the install is finally complete. Only one thing I can say is wow! Guys, front end of this bike has finally come alive. I'm super happy with the end results. As you guys can see, the fit and finish of it is absolutely amazing. Big shout out to Puig for creating some awesome aerodynamic quality parts. As I said, we will be leaving links down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. One thing I did want to note, this does come in two different colorways. You have a matte black option, which we went with, and also a carbon fiber look. Me personally, I love the matte black. I think it's really aggressive. And then it gives a nice contrast to everything else on the bike. As you guys can see, we've been enjoying the process of building this bike from start to finish. I hope you guys have been enjoying the journey so far. If you want to check out some parts for your bike, make sure you guys go ahead and check out motorgeargarage.com. There isn't anything else for me to say other than I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this bike. Guys, tune in for the next one, and until then, we're gone.